news coming in. It's the last meeting of the Waqf JPC today. The chairperson has asked all members to submit their suggestions to close the discussion. The chairperson has told the members that the report will be finalized and then submitted in winter session. Remember, we are looking at the Waqf Amendment Bill, and the question mark has been on a sweeping power of the Waqf Board. And in the past few months, you would have noticed a lot of updates coming in about how farmers, poor people specifically along coastlines, from Karnataka to Kerala and other states as well, have complained how their villages that they believe they are owners of their houses and areas have had ownership claims from Waqf Board. I want to now go across to my colleague Mausami Singh joining me for the latest on that. Mausami, tell me more about this. What is the focus of this Waqf JPC and what are about the suggestions as well? Over to you.
So clearly, Pooja, the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 has been a very contentious bill with the BJP, pushing this bill. Clearly, the NDA would want this bill to be passed in the winter session, as the Law Minister clearly stated. And we've seen several parleys, meetings held, tours being done by the Waqf Joint Parliamentary Committee that has members of the opposition. We've seen a lot of fireworks, broken glasses, a tit for tat, and very shrill rhetoric on this one. And clearly, the opposition has accused the BJP and perhaps in turn the chairperson of the Waqf JPC of bias, of trying to push the BJP's agenda. So after several meetings, now the chairman has told the members, the meeting is happening presently at inside the parliament, that today is the last day of the Waqf series of meetings, since we are approaching a deadline, and they can give their final submission. But the opposition is not ready, and we are told, Pooja, they will be knocking the doors of the Lok Sabha Speaker. They want an extension of this deadline. They want to discuss and deliberate more. So yet the swords are drawn, and this is very much our part ki ladai that we see on this bill.
All right, so keep tracking all the latest on that, Mausami. It's likely, as you said, it's going to be full of firecrackers and showdown expected in the upcoming Parliament session.